Guys, one more time. Right now, I'm going to talk about what is database layer. This is where the data is stored and retrieved for the product. Examples such as MySQL, Oracle, okay, Microsoft SQL Server, MongoDB, etc. Data is accessed by the application layer via API calls. So this is called database layer. So guys, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and comment below. And whatever information you need, we are here. We are PCS people. We are always here to provide you the information. Kindly connect with us. Kindly communicate with us, and get the proper knowledge about whatever you want to know. Because we are the people who are making people's life better, and we want to give the chance to that opportunity to you to guys. Kindly join with us and be a part of PCS Global. Make us glorious and make your future glory and make your parents glorious. Okay, so this is for this session. Bye for now.